Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys names of fruits and vegetables in Igbo. Bring your pen. Without before you take paper again. Ka happy one and kuzucha and tata home knows again. Hey, Joma Pascaline, what am I here to see? Without one and paper, keep that more. Let's move. So we have orange. Orange, we call it oroma in Igbo. Oroma. Orange is called oroma in Igbo. We have watermelon. Watermelon is anyu mmiri in Igbo. Anyu mmiri. Okay, good. Granite. Ahụekere or ọpụpa. Ahụekere or ọpụpa. Ahụekere or ọpụpa. We have pineapple. Some people call it nkwụaba. Why? Where I come from, we call it akwụchukwu. Akwụchukwu. Pineapple. Akwụchukwu. Coconut. It's called aki oyibo or aki bekee. Aki oyibo or aki bekee. Coconut. Aki oyibo or aki bekee. Pawpaw is called okwuru bekee. I don't know what other people call it, but ebemshin umunze anaboya okwuru bekee. Pawpaw is called okwuru bekee. Tomato is called otuboala. Tomato. Otuboala. African star apple is called Odara. African star apple. I know some of you don't know the meaning of African star apple. African star apple in Igbo, Odara. Odara in English, African star apple. Breadfruit is called Okwa. Breadfruit. Okwa in Igbo. Okwa. Achọrọ m iri ụkwa nne m, onye ga-ewetara m ụkwa ka m rie, you know? Then we have what they call velvet tamarind. I don't know if I pronounced that well, but velvet tamarind. Oh, ihe a na-akpọ icheku na okwu n'olu Igbo. Icheku. Some people na-akpọ ya ọgbancheleke. Some people na-akpọ ya icheleke. Some people call it icheku. Velvet tamarind. Walnut in Igbo is called okpa. Walnut is called okpa. UKP. Okpa. Kola nut is called Oji. Ndị ọbịa bịago ka enye ha Oji. Kola nut is called Oji. Maize is called Oka. But where I come from, Umunze, we call it Ukworu. Maize is called Oka. But if you are from Umunze or you want to understand Umunze people, we call it Ukworu. I don't know if any other amame nwere ndị ọzọ na-akpọ ya Ukworu ka ndị Umunze. Mana Igbo niile na-akpọ maize, Oka. We have avocado pear. We call it uboyibo in Igbo. Yeah. We have bush mango seed. Bush mango seed is obono. Yes. Bush mango seed is obono. We have oil bean. Oil bean is opaka. Opaka. plantain, ojoko. Plantain, ojoko. Banana, une or unere. Banana is called une or unere in Igbo. Bitter cola is called akilu or abilu. Akilu or abilu. Bitter cola, akilu or abilu. Garden egg is called angara. 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 Pronounce it like me. Angara. 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 Fluted pumpkin is called ugu. Ugu. Fluted pumpkin is called ugu. Hey! Ịmụtasị anụ edika ihe a, ịlago buni na-asị nnenye m ojoko, nnenye m ọkpakanta, nnenye m anyụrụ mmiri ka nracha. You know, ị na-eme pịa, ọ na-aga, ọ na-asọ gị, ị na-amụli, ị na-emuvu, ị na-eme, ị na-aghọta Igbo, ị na-asị ọtago otu anụ, ị na-amụta nnọọ fruits. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at PaschalineAlex24 on Instagram, and do not forget to subscribe, like, watch, share. Like why? So guys, and if you want to tell me any other thing you want to say in my next video, you can comment below the comment section. Alright, I love you guys so much. Ndi Igbo kwenu, zanu, rienu.